Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a question in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, where in the upper right corner we can get started. In the upper right corner you can get started signing up for your account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just log in normally to your Google account, and once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is the home page where we can get started with creating a new form. If you do not already have one, you can go ahead and access your recent forms right here that you have already created, and so on. And now let's go and take a look at basically how we can get started with adding questions. If you do not already have a form, just create it right here with the blank form option. You can see, you can give it a name, you can give it a description, and so on. I already have my form created right here, so here it is, my tutorial form for a video. So what I can do now is get started. So basically guys, if you want to add questions to your Google Forms, it's very easy, and basically it's the main basic part of the forms. You can see I have already added the questions where I have some options as I can use as answers. I can give my answers and so on. Basically, to add a question, just click this plus button right here at the right side screen. At the right side screen, clicking the plus button is going to enable you to add a new question. You can input the question deck how you want it to be, you can bold it, you can add some underlining and so on, and you can choose what kind of answers you want. You can use checkboxes, drop down, paragraphs, short answers, doesn't matter. You can use any of the options right here that you have. So input your questions. If you're not satisfied, you can delete them and manage the form however you like. But basically that's how easy it is to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channll. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.